wasn't just an attack on Mumbai. It was an attack on India's entire security structure, and it exposed exactly where the system was broken. In the months that followed, investigators realized something uncomfortable. There were warnings, there were clues, and there were alerts from different agencies. But each agency was working in its own silo. And that's when big reforms came in India's intelligence system. The first major reform was the creation of the National Investigation Agency, the NIA. Before 26/11, terror cases were handled separately by state police, often with different standards and slow coordination. After 26/11, the NIA became the single national body with powers across states. It could take over terror cases instantly, follow cross-border links, track funding, interrogate suspects, and build one unified database. In many ways, India finally got a specialized counter-terror force on the investigation side. Over time, NIA has seen several leaders. In 2024, the government appointed Sadanand Vasant Date, a decorated 26/11-era police officer, as the NIA's Director General. Date, a 1990 batch IPS officer from the Maharashtra cadre, was earlier head of the State Anti-Terrorism Squad, that is the ATS. On the night of 26/11, he fought terrorists at Kama Hospital, risking life to save hostages. But NIA was only one pillar. The overhaul went deeper. The second change was the birth of multi-agency fusion centers. Now, these weren't just offices, they were an entirely new mindset. IB, RAW, military intelligence, Navy, Coast Guard, State Police, for the first time, all of these could share real-time information under one roof. And then the third transformation happened along India's coastline. 26/11 exposed how easy it was for terrorists to slip into Mumbai by sea. So India strengthened its coastal security. A coastal radar chain of 46 and a planned 38 additional radar stations was established to provide near-gapless electronic surveillance of the coastline. Joint operation centers were set up to coordinate the Navy, Coast Guard and Marine Police, and suddenly the Arabian Sea, which was once a blind spot, became a watch point. Therefore, in short, 26/11 revealed what had failed: fragmented intelligence, slow coordination, and weak coastal vigilance. But it also triggered the biggest internal security overhaul in modern India, because 26/11 changed India, as it also changed how India protects itself from the inside out.